Hey guys, we're just jumping into it. This is going to be a little bit different video. It's going to be a recap of the last 3 months. I've been busy. We've been moving. We've had some emergency, family emergency with the death and everything. So just want to catch you guys up. So this is before I left the last tournament I got to play. My favorite game, Blood and Plunder, at the local shop there in Olympus Games in Cheyenne, Wyoming. If you're ever in town, hit them up. Awesome community. And then I end up buying an Eldar army, about 3,000 points, super cheap. Rebasing them, sort of just touching them up, super quick, super easy to just have another army because I'm in an area where there's just not a lot of 40K players. So I want to have an army that I can give to someone or loan to someone so they can play. Got some new ink, Twisted Needle ink. They're in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Awesome color. AO is the artist there, killing it. Got some Blood Angel ink, obviously, but yeah, they came out really good. So I'm really happy with them. And then sort of moving on to my work stuff. Got some awards, before I left. Again, like I said, I'm active duty military, and that's a big part of my life. Obviously, that's why we're moving and all those things. That's my dog Luke. He's in the back of the U-Haul just chilling while we're packing up. And then this is a big truck, all the stuff that they came and got. That's at our new location. It's a little bit more tropical, as you can see. Not a bad thing, but it is a lot warmer. And then after we got settled in, really what I wanted to get dialed in is my gaming sort of location, right? We don't really have a garage. I didn't have a hobby cave like I did there in Cheyenne. So went ahead and purchased one. And then this photo is of a local shop about 50 minutes from where I'm at. The kids are enjoying some pool time. We got some scuba stuff out. And then my brother never went to a major con before. I ended up going up to GenCon, and he ended up going with me. It was a good time. And my good buddy at Cheyenne, he flew out, and we ended up playing a doubles event. We didn't do really well playing, but our armies themed, I guess, really well together compared to other folks, and we ended up getting overall best painted for doubles 40K at GenCon, which not really something I intended. This is my father-in-law. He ended up passing away in about a 30-day span. It was very short notice, and his wishes was he wanted to be put in a pine box. So he asked me if I could build his casket for him. So me, my brother, and my dad went to work and got his wishes. So a little bit of a side project. My brother, this is where he works, and they asked him to build like a little diorama of the location. So this is my intended hobby space. This is our fourth bedroom, and it was awesome. And my wife was really against me wanting to be in the house. So this is all my hobby stuff. It's in the bedroom right now, just piled up. Not really usable, unfortunately. And this is where we're currently at with the shed. So we got power ran, and I had an electrician come out, sort of guide me, and it was a lot of labor, but there is power. And so now it's just going to be installation and then finish work. I'm going to finish it out, and it'll be really nice inside, hopefully, when I'm done with it. Probably a few more weekends, but it's a 10 by 20 pre-built shed there. I probably purchased it for around discounts around 6,000. So you can see all the outlets there. It's a double lofted side barn is what they call it. So that's a 4-foot loft on the top there, and I'll have two 6-inch can lights there. And then this side will be where the 3D printers. I'll have a desk going across there. And then that's an 8-foot loft on there. I'll have four 6-inch can lights. And then this is where my painting space, hobby space will be. And then in the center of the room will be where we're going to be gaming. And the nice thing is I got all of them lofts, so I have tons of storage to keep that bottom area hopefully nice and clean. I'll have a nice ceiling fan, AC unit. And like I said, it'll be really nice. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will try to get more content out to you. Thanks.